Want affordable EU education with work rights? Cyprus Student Visa is the answer. Discover how this Mediterranean island opens the door to your European dream. Cyprus combines stunning beauty with real academic opportunities, an EU destination where your future can begin. Enjoy lower tuition fees and living expenses here, making quality education more accessible than many other EU spots. Universities in Cyprus frequently offer scholarships and budget-friendly payment plans for global students. Modern classrooms, qualified professors, and degrees fully recognized across the EU set Cyprus apart. Access industry-standard labs, libraries, and learning spaces that keep you at the forefront of your chosen field. Study with classmates from around the world, expanding your perspective and building a global network for your career. International students can legally work part-time, gaining hands-on experience while managing their studies. Cyprus grants work rights so you can build valuable skills and boost your resume before graduation. Student life here is vibrant and friendly, with plenty of clubs, events, and a warm community spirit. Immerse yourself in rich Cypriot culture, enjoy Mediterranean cuisine, and discover historic cities, all as part of your journey. Unwind after classes with beautiful Mediterranean beaches, outdoor sports, and a safe, laid-back environment. The student visa process is straightforward, with clear guidance and university support at every stage. Once accepted, you're on your way. Get ready for a life-changing experience in the heart of Europe. Your European journey starts here. Cyprus could be the next chapter in your success story.